This is a day that I've literally been waiting for 2.5 years. Whoa. So this is 76 pounds of free-flowing truck. So, gosh, look at the truck. It looks so good. I missed it so bad. I've been gone for 5 days, and like 5 days isn't that long, but like you forget. Ugh. So as you can see, the truck is pretty dirty. So maybe tomorrow, maybe we'll ceramic coat it. I don't know. So my neighbor came by and he's like, hey, my brother has this company out of California that does like good ceramic coating stuff that lasts like 3 weeks, which most ceramic coating lasts like 4 years. But this isn't like a $400 thing. This is like, you know, way cheaper than that. And so he gave me some. He's like, hey, try it out. You can put it on the video maybe, ceramic coat the truck, and then, you know, it just pretty much helps it whenever you wash it and stuff, keeps it cleaner longer. So I may try that out tomorrow. But today, we are not doing a video as normal as cleaning a truck. We are going to be doing mods. Now, these are some of my favorite videos to make. There are 2 types of videos I love to make. Big reveals and big mods and stuff. And so today, this is a mod I've been waiting for 2.5 years, and you can see the size of the box. We're not playing around. Now let me show you something real quick. Welcome to under my truck, which is the less pretty part of the truck because it is a used truck, has a fair amount of miles, and there's mud under here, and it's just, it's, you know. So this is the exhaust system that's on it. It is a downpipe back, and it has an upgraded downpipe on it, 3-inch downpipe, and those little wires, don't worry about those. Those are from the original DEF system. So this is the exhaust, and it is a 4-inch straight pipe downpipe back exhaust. Now, it is a great exhaust, but it's just not enough. We're gonna go on ahead and beef this up, make it a little bit better and a lot bigger. Wow. Okay. You know, wow. You know, I knew it was gonna be bigger, obviously, because 5 inches bigger than 4-inch, but like, you underestimate, like, that is ridiculous. I wish you guys could see it like in person. Like, look at my hand next to it. That is insane. Oh my gosh. And it's all new and pretty. It is absolutely ridiculous how small this pipe is now to me. It's like, looking at that 5 inches is ridiculous. So we're gonna unbolt that, unbolt the front. Hopefully it comes off easy. I hope so. So I found so far, in order to get this part off easier, it works to get the back part off first. So you can see the exhaust hanging, and there's no exhaust back there. And yeah, I'm just gonna take that left part off. See, here's the exhaust, right? Here's the frame. The bolt's like up in there. I don't know how to get a socket through there. So what I'm gonna try and do is take off the exhaust and literally do something stupid, run an extension the entire way on this side and try to get it. I don't think it's gonna work, but like, I'm gonna try. So, more tearing exhaust apart. I wonder what it would sound like this. Ah, I shouldn't start it, that'd be irresponsible. That is really loud. I was not expecting that. My plan is to use this and like stick it in between the exhaust and the frame and see if it fits and works, and I'm starting to look at it and thinking it won't. But you know what? Optimism. This is really stupid. Don't do this at home. Not because it won't work, just because it's really stupid. Not even close. I don't want to drive Puff because 95% of his exhaust isn't on there. Okay, time to go to the store. I literally haven't driven the Raptor in months. It's been driven, but I haven't driven it in like literally months. So this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna change though, because I don't want to get a bunch of dirt in the Raptor and all that. So we're gonna have fun taking the Raptor. So one thing that I've noticed in my exhaust installing adventure is that long hair for automotive stuff, which I kind of knew this, but like doing the exhaust kind of just showed me that sucks. Long hair sucks for automotive. We're gonna go on ahead and hop into the Raptor because Puff has 95% of his exhaust taken off, obviously. So I don't want to take him. So we're gonna go in and hop in the Raptor. Look what I found. Look at how cute it is. It just got a little handle, it's so tiny. I mean, that's like the smallest ratchet I've ever seen in my entire life. It's literally like 4 inches tall. I love that. So yeah, I got that. So we're gonna go ahead and head back to the house, take out that last piece of the exhaust, and then finally, I will have 5-inch exhaust on my truck after waiting 2.5 years. So I'm excited. You guys should be excited too. It's cup holder size! Look what we ran into. So if you watch the channel, you know that I have a lot of friends with Mustangs. There's Abbott right there. It is 4.6, 1996 Mustang, and that's the rare color of 1996. That's a, I think it's called Opal, and it's like the rare color of 1996, kind of like how the competition orange and grabber blue is today. And a cop just saw me vlog, and I think he's turning around. I'm gonna put y'all down now. Yeah. Oh. Okay, well that feels amazing, the fact that I actually got that off. I was actually really wondering if I was gonna be able to do it, and then I got that tool and I was like, oh, this is gonna make it so easy, and then it just simply didn't work, and I was like, oh, I'm screwed. And then I thought, why don't I take the extensions through here instead of here? Hope y'all can see that. And then it worked. Now I think the harder part is actually gonna be getting the 5-inch one in, because getting it out is one thing, getting it in is another. And in this cases, I think it's gonna be that other. And the kit came with new bolts for the flange. This flange right here, where the bolt goes through. The other side has another flange and it just bolts on with these 2 bolts. It's pretty simple. It's really, really simple. It's just hard to get to. So I think I'm gonna use the bolts that came with this 4-inch kit instead of the 5 if they fit, because they look higher quality. Oh my gosh, I was so worried. I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm gonna have to send this back, and then it randomly just slid in place. All right, so we finally got that piece that mounts the exhaust to the downpipe on, and we have actually moved on to the next part of the exhaust. There's the next part of the exhaust, and it meets right here. And then the pipe that goes on to the downpipe pretty much, which we're still tightening and working out, straightening it, because you can kind of see how it's like curved like this. And Zach, thanks for the help. Is this your first real official time like really working on a car?
Yeah. Well, sorta.
Well, the Jetta, you helped me with the Jetta, remember?
Yeah. I thought my dad was something.
Well, it's your first time doing a real mod.
Yes.
Aww.
How cute.
So we're gonna go ahead and get to the next part, and then we'll catch up on you. We'll catch up with you. We'll catch up on you. I'm gonna put ketchup on you.
That's probably gonna get cut out.
Yeah, well.
Right. Put some ketchup on this bitch.
All right, so we'll catch up with you guys in a second once we have the next part on. All right, so we put it on and then took it off pretty much because we realized that it has to be cut. Now there's no directions that came with this kit, so there's no way that we really knew that. So now we, it's too dark really, so we're just cleaning up everything with the underglow on, and so then we're gonna hit it in the morning, and you're gonna be here.
All right.